Hi everybody. Today I am again going to record the second case which I had discussed on GG Animate, and I had talked about the cluttering of the tiles when the dates are not regular in continuous fashion. So let me give you a demonstration today what I mean by cluttering of the tiles and where actually the whole thing goes wrong. So if you look into this coding and I load this data from the CSV file. There are 280 observations, and let's see a little bit more about them. So these are the dates starting from the January 24th to May 11th. So that's, but we are not going to take everything. We are going to take a sample of continuous and the non-continuous dates so that we can demonstrate what exactly I mean by the color cluttering of the tiles. And if you look into this data, each date set has the four values each. I mean, you can say there are four tweets for 24th, four tweets for 25th, and similarly up till May we have four tweets each. Means, so I'm going to use four tweets to demonstrate the four tiles on each frame, and that is my idea. So the length is 70, so we are not going to be, I'm going to just select these set of dates. Now you see these dates which I have selected in this variable dt1. You can see that from January 1st, that 24th to up to February 10th, this is a continuous date. I mean 24, 25th, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1st, then February 1, then 2nd, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is a continuous set of the dates, and I just create another filter from that original set, and there are around 72 observations for it. I'll convert the date framework. So because you know, once you get this framework data frame, you actually do not have in the date format. So I will convert this into date format by using the library lubridate. And once I have converted this, you can see the dates are now in a proper format, and each date has a 4 tweet length, so total there are 18. Now let's try to animate this. So once I do this, you see the result, it's very clear. So you see 24th 4 tiles, 25th again 4 tiles, 26th again 4 tiles, 27th again 4. I'm using the hashtag values for demonstration. So again 29th, 30, 31st, then you have 1st of February, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th, and 10th. So you see that the transition has been very smooth, there is without any problem. Now let's take another set of dates, and if you go by that, then uh, say this is the set, the second set which I have taken. So I'll show you what exactly these dates are. uh, Let me, okay, this is the set. It starts from 1st of March, and then you have 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th. Then after 15th of March you have April 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, then 11th April, 12th, 13th, and 14th. And then after there is a gap after 14, there's a 27th April, 28th, 29th, 30th April. So it means there are two kinds of gap. One is the month gap, and another within one there is a day gap. So I'm trying with both the kinds of gap. And now I filter this from the original set, and I get the values, and you see there are 29. So now the dates have, the format has been converted into the date format, and you see for each date I am having the 4 tweet tiles, and the length is again 29. So let's animate this thing, and now I will try to demonstrate what exactly I mean by clutter. I am removing this one for the time being, and now let's render this. Now you see these are not 4 tiles, these are 8 tiles. Again there is a problem. So there is no regular you can say grouping of the tiles. I mean, for each day there should be a regular fashion or demonstration of tile. Everything has gone here. Only for 16th you find, then 18th you have. So even the date display is not actually in accordance with the stuff. So the point I want to make is that there is a problem in handling the gaps in the date. And once you see this, I mean, if you are over a period of longer periods of say over a year, you want to demonstrate something as a kind of a trend, means these are basically, this animation is, the purpose of using this animation is to demonstrate the trend of some hashtags. And over a period of time, these trends, if I want to demonstrate, then the gaps, it fails to manage the gap. So I have, this is the only lacuna in GG Animate, and if you can sort out this, then that will be very good. Thank you.